Once again, son, welcome to Nigeria.
Welcome home. Not Nigeria. Welcome home.
Father, yes, welcome home because you're not happy where you'll be forcing me to put on this regalia. This, I don't like this.
Come on, it is your birthright.
Is that why he's looking so fresh? What were you feeding yourself with in the States? What? Eh? This is your... I saw him so fresh.
Mother, whatever thing I was eating can never be compared with our local meal.
Oh,
yes. Sometimes I wish I would just come back for a day, just a day to enjoy our meal, then I'll go back. Because our meal is wonderful. It's good.
Yeah, but you can equally get our local meals in some of the African restaurants over there.
Father, that's true. That's true, but our meal here cannot be compared with the one there. As in, when you take it to that place, I don't know, the color, the taste, everything will change.
All right. So now that you are back home, unfold your plans.
I want to establish my own hospital. But before then, I want to make sure I put this one we have here in order to make sure that our people have good medical attention.
That's very kind of you.
That's good. You see, we would love you to settle down as soon as possible. Because your mother and I would love to carry our grandchildren before our time is up.
Yes.
Father, both of you are still healthy. You're not dying anytime soon. Yes, and marriage, I'm not thinking about that now. No. It's not in my diary at all. That should be later. It's not now.
We know you might not want to get married now. That's why your mother and I have taken the pains to go out there and get a befitting, beautiful girl for you to marry.
Yes.
We would want you to meet her because very soon we'll begin to tie all the knots quickly.
That's there is some kind of jokes, right? Because it's barbaric, both of you choosing a wife for me.
Hey, son. You are going to love this lady. I bet you. Yes. She has everything. I mean, everything a man needs in a woman. Trust me. Yes, she has it.
I can see I'm not needed here in this country. I have to go back to the States.
Chinonso,
come back here! You dare not walk out on me!
Can you see your son?
Hey, come. You don't start. Please, I beg you.
Have you seen it?
He is our son, not just mine. Our son. Please.
Calm down. I know you're right. Calm down. But seriously, who does that?
Exactly my point. That is my point. It's an ancient tradition. I've made it clear to father and mother that I'm not going to get married to any idiot they're bringing into this house. If I want a woman to get married to, I'll go out there and look for someone for myself.
And I totally support you. Anyway, how was your trip? How has life been there with my...
Will you stop? I've told you several times on phone that life out there is sweet.
I know.
But no place like home.
Yeah, but brother, studying abroad is just the best. And I just can't wait to, I can't wait to leave, please.
It's okay. You want to study abroad, right?
Yes, I want to study abroad. I want to be like you.
I'll do that for you.
Oh.
But you just have to go back and let your father and your mother know that I'm not going to get married to any idiot they're bringing into this house as my wife.
You know I always fight for you. You know I can't let father and mother frustrate you. I have your back. I'll always be here for you.
It's okay. You know I love you too.
I love you more, brother.
It's okay. You can get me water I want to drink, okay?
Sure.
I'm not going to take that thing you're bringing into this house as my wife. I have the right to choose my own woman. Nobody will choose a woman for me.
Look, sis. You know, I've already started making contact in Abuja. I am done with this local presenting. Hell no. Look, babes, I know moving to Lagos will get me international level. Babe, see me see international. I want to be well known like Meghan McCain.
Oh my God! Look at you, Ifeanyiwa. You and your big dreams. Oh yeah, I see you, baby. I see you, Meghan McCain.
I beg. So you don't want me to have big dreams, sis? You don't want me to have big dreams?
Why not? I'm there.
You think I'm like you? You that is dating one local champion. I beg, please.
If it's a joke, just stop it. Don't call my Anyanwu a local champion. He is a certified engineer and he has a good job to show for it. And please, thank you for reminding me that I'll soon be getting married to the love of my life.
Oh, please. Sis. It's not like I don't want you to get married to him. But, babes now, look at you. Look, why will a beautiful girl like you be doing with a local champion? Don't get me wrong. Come, let's go to Abuja. Let's meet the movers and shakers of this country. You're very beautiful now. Why are you laughing?
Oh, please spare me all that. You can move and shake for all I care. My destiny lies here, and here I will be.
Miss Destiny.
Ma! Oh, come get out. Shake us, come. Fast. Meghan McCain of my family. Oh, how I love my sister. What else? I married the Prince of England too. Oh!
Mama, you sent for me. What is it about?
It's about something we have already told you before now. In fact, we have just come to remind you that the prince is back.
I thought you both were joking when you told me the last time.
Yes, we are very, very serious. You have been betrothed to the prince.
Oh, this is not the 19th century, you know. Mama, please stop. What did you guys call me for?
Listen, we are not here to crack jokes.
No. You are cracking joke with my life. This is the 20th century. Who gets husbands for their daughters? No, Dad, please. I don't like this. Please. I am in the peak of my career right now. I'm trying to get my career stable here. Please.
Ifeanyiwa, you are 26. You are a full-grown woman. You should be thinking of how to settle down in marriage, not building a career. All right? Very soon, cause you saw your sister will get married. Or you want to remain single?
Mother, I am just 26. I am still very much single. I am still very much young. Like I said, I am in the peak of my career. I need to get my career straight. Because sister can marry today or tomorrow. That's her business. That is her life. I want to face my life.
Ifeanyiwa, listen to me, Ifeanyiwa. Listen and listen very good. I dispute that statement. You are no longer young. Yes. you must get married to Prince Nonso. Come rain, come shine.
With all due respect, Father, I am not getting married to any Prince Nonso. I am not ready for that. And when I'm ready, I will let you know.
Oh, shut up!
Excuse me! Shut up!
If anyone come here, listen!
See you, Talk to her. Talk to her.
Why was Mom calling here? Why are you looking so angry?
Can you imagine?
Mom and Dad telling me that I'm betrothed to Prince Nonso. What? No, now that must be a joke. I mean, that's an outdated tradition. Who does that?
My point exactly. I thought it was a joke. We're in the 21st century. How can Mom choose a husband for me?
Oh no, come on. That's all shades of wrong. No, they can't do that to you now.
Sis, you remember Prince Nonso? When we were little, his head used to be this big. And he used to trouble me.
I remember! You know, then, when we're still in school, they'll call him your husband, and then you'll cry.
I hate him. And I know when I see him, I will hate him the more.
Can't be too sure. It's been a long time. Who knows? His head might be smaller now.
Stop! I hate him.
I take them because of you.
Because of me.
Because of you.
Not because of you.
Father, for your mother. Father, I made it. I made the mother. I made it.
What?
See. It's the postman, Father. You just brought it. It's a result for my Shell scholarship examination, and I made all A's. See, Mom.
Oh my God, beautiful. Jesus. That is my daughter.
Thank you, Father. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of you, baby. Thank you, Mother. You've made me so happy. Thank you. I'm so happy.
So you'll be following your elder brother's footsteps in traveling abroad for your studies?
Yes,
I wonder what your brother will say when he hears this.
God, I can't wait to tell him when he gets back.
Well, this calls for celebration.
Yes.
And it's going to happen right away. God. Okay.
You made me proud.
Get moving.
Please get her and sit. Get her.
What is it? Take it easy.
Brother, I made it. I made my
You made
papers. I made my scholarship result. I made it as an engineering student in your school. So excited.
Come here. Did you just say that?
Yes.
In my school?
Yes. I'm so excited.
Wow! Oh my God! Listen, it's okay. Calm down. I will call one of my friends over this right now. Come on.
God, I'm so excited.
Yes, you must go to USA. I will do that for you.
Oh my God, brother, that's why I love you so much.
And I love you there. You're my only sister. And I will make sure you're happy.
Thank you, I'm so excited.
It's okay, come on, sit down. This call for celebration.
Yes, brother.
I'll celebrate you. Okay?
Yes, brother, I'm so excited. I can't believe it.
Come on.
Oh.
That's my kid
I am
sister.
excited. I can't.
My prince. A lady said to see you.
A lady?
Yes, my prince.
Alright. Usher her in.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I know you. Have we met before?
Really? Okay. You seem not to remember me. Oh well, I guess you're Prince Nonso. And when we were kids, you used to have this very big head. Does it ring a bell?
Don't make jest of your friend.
I am not.
Did you just say when we were kids?
Exactly.
Are you Ifoma or
Ifeyiwa. I got you.
That I used to be like a little child then.
Oh please, I am not a little girl, okay? I am not.
I can say we can never go into be friends.
We gonna be.
No, like in those days.
Well,
but all the same, you're good.
Thank you. It's good to see you.
My pleasure.
I heard you just came back from the States. Do you know what baffles me? With all your exposure, you still allow your parents to look for a bride for you. Now that baffles me. Honestly.
You know they are blocking. You know I can't give to that kind of arrangements. How can they get a wife for me? If I'm ready to marry, I get who I love and who I want to marry myself.
That's good.
Yes.
So, have you bothered to know who your betrothed bride? Have you bothered to know?
No, because it's not important, so why should I bother myself looking or asking of who the person is?
Ah. Well, if it may interest you, I am your betrothed. You know, I was so mad when my parents told me that they have chosen a groom for me. Like, who does that in this 20th century? Who does that? I was so mad.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Kosi told me you went to see the prince. And I hope you like him. He's a young, handsome man. And he's already married.
Mama, you could go marry him, since you're so much interested in him. Excuse
me. Why is she so angry? We made the best choice for her. Millions of ladies would like to be in her shoes right now. So why is she so sad? What's wrong with her?
My king.
Yes, Lolo.
I'm worried. I am seriously worried.
About what?
What if the prince decides not to marry Ifeyiwa and goes to bring in one low-life lady like that?
Lolo, sit down. Sit. That will never happen. And if he tries it, he will lose the throne.
Oh, the throne?
Yes.
Igwe, have you forgotten he's never been interested in becoming a king? Have you forgotten that? He wanted to stay back in the United States to practice his medicine. I knew what it took me to convince him to come back. Igwe, if he goes back to US again, I doubt if he wants to return.
He will not leave. What you will do is to find a way to convince him. You know he listens to you. Convince him.
What if he refuses to listen this time? Igwe, this is a matter of the heart. He shouldn't be toyed with. I bet you, if the prince goes back to US, he may not return. That's my fear.
He will not go back. Trust me.
Are you sure? Are you?
You know, when my parents told me about getting married to one sort of girl, I was mad at them. I never knew it was this beautiful, charming, breathtaking, so endowed.
Whoa.
Young lady sitting before me.
Don't flatter me. Guess what? When my parents told me I was betrothed to a prince, I was really mad. You know, I remember when we used to be small, they used to call us husband and wife. I would cry my eyes out. Because you used to have this, your head used to be this big. What is it you? You're looking so handsome, dapper, and also caring. I like.
You know, you used to annoy the hell out of me.
Really?
No, seriously. I enjoyed beating you then.
Okay.
But you see now, no more.
You're not planning on beating me, are you?
No. Because you've stolen the better part of me.
Well, the last time I checked, I am not a thief.
Oh, you are?
I am not.
You are because you stole my heart.
Aww.
Yes.
Okay.
But right now, you're no longer a thief.
I wasn't a thief.
And I'm not going to beat you again.
Nah, that's funny. That's okay. Why are you looking at me like that?
If I should ask you to marry me, what would be your answer?
Well, unfortunately, no. I'm just kidding. Of course, I will marry you.
Oh!
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Fine. So officially, please, marry me.
Ah. So where's the ring? Aren't you supposed to get down on your knees?
Okay, for the ring,
Yes.
I'll get it today.
Better.
And now can I do that?
Please! No, don't do that. Come on. God, don't do that. You're a prince. The soon to be crowned king. You're not supposed to do that. Please, dispose the protocols. Disregard it.
And you think I mind people looking at us?
I
don't
do
care.
mind. I do mind. You're a prince. And guess what?
What?
As long as you love me and I love you, we both love each other. I'm good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love you.
And I love you too. Can we cheers to that?
I'll give you.
And am I supposed to give you?
Oh, no.
Oh.
Your Majesty.
Yes.
My daughter has been behaving very funny these days. She has remained adamant. Just because we told her that she's been betrothed to the prince. I don't know what to do.
The prince here has refused to marry her. He said we cannot get a wife for him. But what I know is that with time, his mother here, the queen, will convince him. She will.
Anyway, I pray he listens to me. He's a strong-willed person, but I will try my best.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Welcome, my daughter.
Greetings, my queen.
You're welcome, my daughter.
You two have met?
Father.
Yes.
Ifeyinwa here is the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Greetings, the queen.
Mother, stop looking at me. Yes, I am not getting married to her because you people asked. No. I want to marry her because she's the chosen one.
Well, whatever the reason is, whatever the case is, we are all happy that you have agreed to marry. Simple. We will fix the date immediately. Straight away.
Son, thank you for honoring our request, okay?
Stop thanking me. And for everyone, I am going to fix my marriage myself. I'm not asking for anybody's assistance.
Whatever.
Whatever. Look at them. They are meant for each other.
Mother, you sent for me.
Yes, you sit.
Okay.
Adana,
Yes, mother.
you are our only daughter. And you know how much our people hold our family in high esteem.
Yes, I do, mother. I know.
Very soon you'll be traveling abroad for your studies. And you know you got this opportunity via Shell Scholarship. I want you to work hard, please. Graduate in flying colors, just as your brother recently did.
Yes, mother. You know I will do you and father so proud.
Good. May the gods of our ancestors grant you success.
The same.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you, mother. Thank you, mother.
Good. You care for this?
No, I'm fine, mother.
You sure? I know you're pretending.
You really surprised me.
What?
How come you changed your mind like that? What happened?
My sister. The guy is so handsome and he's too much of a husband material to let go.
I see.
Yes!
I'm happy for you, Abe, because for a second, I was thinking you were never going to get married the way you were going about your career.
My sister is so cute.
Besides, it's no longer free. I told you.
Yes.
So my sister is going to be a princess. Let me take this call. Okay. Really excited.
Hello? Yes, this is Ifeyinwa Okore. What? Really? Yes. I'm sorry. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, bye. Bye. What? Sis, someone just called me. I just got a job in a good TV media.
You're getting married in a few days. What's gonna happen with that?
You made us proud, my son. And we will shake the whole town with your wedding.
Yes.
Father, please. I don't want the whole town. Just want friends and family. I've told you this before.
How can my son, the only son that the gods gave to me, be having his wedding without the whole world attending? No way. It's such a great occasion. Everybody will be there.
Mother, I swear, if I see crowds there, don't be surprised I will turn and leave.
Why are you this difficult? Why do you want to deprive me of this joy? Why?
I am not depriving you of any joy. You have your freedom to celebrate whatever thing you want to celebrate, but not with my wedding.
Okay, it's alright. It's okay. Not with my wedding. It's okay. It's okay. We will shake this town with a party, and that will be after your wedding. Is that okay?
Father, you can celebrate whatever thing you want to celebrate. Like you said, after my wedding. But that will be for you, my mother. By then, my wife and I will be in the States for our honeymoon.
Alright. No problem. But whatever you need, let me know.
Father, I don't need anything. Work. Thank you very much for your offer. I want to go and see my friend. Mother.
Kosi.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen Ife?
No. Well, she should be in her room. Check her there.
She's not there. I've searched for her there, but I didn't see her.
Then she should be outside.
I'm just coming from outside, and I went to her room to check on her, but I didn't find her. She's nowhere to be found. The prince and his people are here already.
Mom, why are you getting yourself worked up? I mean, Ifeanyi can't be missing now. She's probably in the kitchen or something.
She's
I'll
not
look for her there.
She's not there.
Mom, do you think I should pack my hair or I should fly it?
I'm talking of something very important and you're asking of your hair.
My prince. My love.
Wow. My prince.
Greetings, my in-law.
Oh, God.
My prince.
Oh, God, you're welcome.
The king and the queen, they are not here.
The king and the queen. Having a meeting with the governor, but they will soon be with us.
That's right. He's right.
Okay.
Yes.
Dear, please, can I see you?
It's all right, I will be with you guys. Today's a beautiful day. Please, cheers. And my great in-laws, my prince. Excuse me just for a moment. I'll be with you in it. Thank you very much. All right.
You're quite welcome. Prince.
Why did you call me? You have to be very fast. Our in-laws are out there. We cannot keep them waiting, please.
It's Ifeanyi. Ifeanyi, I can't find her.
What do you mean you cannot find Ifeanyi?
She's nowhere to be found.
Excuse me. No. Did you go round the whole compound? You searched for her. All nooks and crannies of compound and you cannot find her?
I have searched everywhere. She's nowhere to be found.
Sorry, did you call her line?
No, not yet. Hi.
How can that be?
Hi. Fenywa. Is it ringing?
It switched off.
How?
I think that girl ran away.
How?
She ran away. So if anyone could pretend to love the prince. Hey!
How?
What do we do?
You are the one to answer that question. What do we do? Because we can't afford to see the royal family being disgraced. They will never forgive us. You have to do something very fast.
Hey, Mom, have you seen her?
No. I guess she ran away.
What? How? That's not possible now. Mom, are you serious?
Ife is gone.
Ifeyinwa loves the prince. And she was ready to give up her career for him. She's been looking forward to this day, so why would she run away?
Ife is gone. And her number is switched off. I have even sent someone to look for her, but she's nowhere to be found.
This is strange.
Kosi, you need to help us. The prince must get married today. Else it will be a big shame.
How do you want me to help her? I don't know where she is. Let me even call her with my phone.
Kosi Sochukwu, no? You have to stand in as the bride.
Oh, Mommy, stop. What kind of joke is this?
Kosi Sochukwu, you have to help us. You are the only person in position to save the both family from this shame.
Mommy, stop this. Please, please, please. Mommy, no. What are you saying? Mom, stop this. Stop it. No, now. No. No, Mommy, don't do it. Why? How? I'm engaged to be married to Anyanwu, and I love him. I cannot love another man.
I know, but you have to do this for the family.
What will I tell him? He will be heartbroken. I can't.
Please.
I can't.
Kosi Sochukwu, please, Biko. I am begging you. Please. Please. Just undress and wear your sister's dress. Please. I beg you.
Father, can you imagine it? Can you imagine it if anyone stood me up? Up till now, she's nowhere to be found. Father, please, there's no need of coming to this house. No need, please turn back. Father, they want me to get married to the sister. Who does that? I won't do that. I will not. Father, I will not do it. That little brat, that girl stood me up. Father, please, I'm coming back.
You're here sleeping. Have you seen the prince's wife?
What kind of question is that one? I've seen her. It's not the one that came the other day.
No, he didn't marry her. That one is Ifunanya. He ended up marrying the younger sister.
Why? How could he?
My sister, rumor had it that Ifeyinwa stood the prince up in order to avoid shame. So they have to convince Kosi to marry him.
Eh? Well, come to think of it, how did you even know about it? You weren't even there.
I heard the guys discussing about it.
Azuka, one day this your mouth and ear will land into trouble. You have to be very careful.
So I've done bad thing now to come and tell you, Abi.
You talk too much. Please, me, I want to continue my work. Don't come and doing your sleeping. Nonsense, girl.
My prince, your food is served.
For what?
Yes, I made your favorite meal.
You did what?
I prepared your favorite meal.
And who asked you to prepare food for me? You've tried everything humanly possible to get me, and they don't work. You think with your meal you will get me.
What are you talking about?
You failed.
I'm your wife, and it's my duty to prepare your meal.
No. It's not your duty at all to prepare meals for me. I have maids I employed to do that. Okay? Azuka! Azuka!
Don't leave your real house.
Go to that dining and pick up that rubbish, that nonsense. Go and feed it to the dogs. Immediately. Yes, so feeding it to the dogs, cook a nice meal. Good meal that I will eat and enjoy. Cook it and bring it. Serve it and you come and eat.
Okay, my prince.
What is that supposed to mean? If you don't want to eat my food, why not allow Asuka to eat it?
Yeah, because
Why will she serve my food to the dogs?
since I cannot eat it, Asuka cannot also eat it. Because your food is not meant for humans or good people to eat. It is meant for that dog, that particular dog. If you still want to cook, you can cook. You know you have strength in cooking rubbish. Cook another rubbish so that our neighbor's dog can feed.
Yes, who's there? What are you doing here?
I should be asking you that. So it's true. So it is true.
No. I never wanted this. It's not my fault.
Just shut up. Shut up. I knew it. I knew it. You are as ambitious as your sister. Tell me you're not happy being the prince's wife.
No, I'm not. You know me very well. You know I'm neither interested in fame or fortune.
How could you?
I was forced into this. It's not my fault.
How could you do this to me? Knowing fully well how much I love you. We were engaged to be married.
I love you. I love you and I still love you. It is you I want to marry. This whole thing was just not my making.
You listen to me. As from today, the intensity of love that I feel for you is same as the hatred I now feel for you. I don't want to ever set my eyes on you again.
No, please, I beg you. Anyam, please. Anyam, please. So easy is my life. If you are why did you run away and leave me to suffer this shame? It's just thinking I'll just kill myself. Let me just die because I'm tired of this. Maybe if I die, my parents will be happy.
your lover just leave this house.
Please leave me alone.
Why should I? Look at you. You're crying because you slept with your lover in my own house. You cheated on me with your lover.
Why do you hate me so much?
What have I ever done to you? Don't change the topic. Don't. Now listen. If I find out you actually slept with your lover in my own house,
All I want is to be loved, but whenever I work for it, I'll end up crying.
and then I'm not happy. The sight of that girl in this house gets me pissed. If care is not taken, I might strangle that girl with my bare hands in this house someday.
And I totally understand with you, my dear brother. How can mother and father just consent you to marry someone whom you don't love?
Is it not their fault?
So tell me, dear brother, any news of Ifeanyiwa?
Nothing yet.
Strange word. How can someone just disappear in the morning of our marriage? Anyways, all I want is for my brother to be happy. And if Kosiso is stressing you, brother, I suggest you leave her and return to Europe. I mean, I'm your sister, and I won't stand by and watch anyone, brother, I mean anyone make you unhappy. I can't take it.
Babes, did I tell you girls how the prince gave his wife's food to the dogs the other time and asked me to prepare another meal for him?
Maybe he was angry with her, but I really like her. She's so humble.
See, the truth is that the prince doesn't like that girl at all. She's just forcing herself to be with him.
Just shut up. Shut up and mind your business. Eh? Every time, cho. See, this your mouth. Go put you for a while one day.
Now your mouth I use the talk. Wetin concern you? So, the both of you have teamed up to be jealousing me because the prince likes me,
The dreamer. Be there and be deceiving yourself, yeah? To him, you're just a common Azuka.
Azuka the palace maid. Let's go, Joe. Keep dreaming.
Come, you both should respect yourself. People should respect yourself. I know that people are jealous of me. What's your business? Nonsense.
Someone go and call on Mr. Date. I'm waiting.
Okay. So you're here. Hold your greetings. I don't need it. What is the problem, my princess? Let my brother have some peace. He married you against his will. You and I know he doesn't love you. Neither do you love him. So please, let him have some peace in his own house. Just shut up, Kosi. Anybody who makes my brother unhappy will incur my wrath. And automatically that person turns into my enemy. So listen and listen real good. Be the pretentious wife that you are and know your place in this house. Hope you are good. Rubbish.
But heaven knows that my heart is pure. I'm ready to love. I wanna sacrifice to make it work for our future purpose. Can someone go and call on Mr. Date? I'm waiting.
Mommy, what I'm saying is that I'm tired. Mommy, I'm tired. I'm tired. I want to leave this place.
How do you mean? You just got married and you're already talking of leaving the marriage. Why?
He hates me. He doesn't even want to see me anywhere around him. He treats me like trash. I'm tired.
Of course, it's surgery. It's okay. It will pass. It's just because he's still hurting from what Ife, your sister, did to him.
I don't love him. It is Anyanwu I love. It is Anyanwu I want to be with.
Of course, it's such. You will learn to love him. You will learn to love him. He is your husband. You are married to him. All you need to do is to calm down and take good care of him. Okay?
This place is not my home. It is hell.
It's okay. I felt the same way you are feeling right now when I got married to your father.
Mommy, it is not true. Daddy can never treat you the way this man treats me. I want to go. I'm tired. I'm tired.
Because it's such a you are not living your marriage. Marriage is all about tolerance, love, and you have to apply all this in your marriage to achieve.
Mommy, leave me, please. I want to go. I don't want to stay here.
It's okay.
I want to stay here. I want to go.
Di bubanondidi. Di bondidi. Walondidi mam. Go.
What's that your name? Kosiem or what? Don't you have any meaningful thing to do in this house? Rather than this failed attempt at seducing me?
Please, I don't know what you're talking about. As you can see, I am cleaning the house.
Cleaning the house with these pants. If you're talking about cleaning the house, what's happened to Azuka? The one in charge of house duties.
I have hands, okay? And I can choose to do it when I want to.
Really? And this is my house. I decide who works and who doesn't. Now listen, today will be the first and last I will see you doing this nonsense. I have maids for it. I have maids I pay to do these house chores.
Just a sadist.
The idiot trying to seduce me. To have pants in my house. Think you can get me with that rubbish? Dirty pants.
My prince. My prince. My prince. My prince. Please, I need us to talk.
By this time?
I'm sorry. I can't sleep. It's very important.
What do you want?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all the pain I and my family have caused you. I'm tired of fighting. I want us to live in peace. Please, I beg you.
That is what you get. That is what you bargained for getting married to me.
I did not do this voluntarily. I was forced to do this by my parents. And it has brought me so much pain. And I've even lost the man I love.
Don't try it. Don't dare mention that lover of yours here. Don't try it in my presence.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I need you to do me a favor.
I said it. Yes. Finally, the secret is open. You've revealed it. Oh, you see? That was the reason you got married to me. Wealth. Money. Royal wealth. Your father's wealth was not enough for you and your people. You wanted to get our wealth. Now you have it.
My prince, please, I need to start working. I'm educated. And I have a profession. I'm tired of staying at home day in, day out. I'm getting really bored. I want to start to work. That's what I wanted to say.
Profession. But my foot. You're married to me? And I say, the prince's wife. This palace is your house and is your working place. You dare not step your foot out of this palace. If you try it. Oh. That's what you wanted. To answer prince's wife, a member of a royal family. You now have it. Enjoy it while it lasts. Don't try me. Don't wake me up again. Don't try it. Wish.
Don't tell me you're drunk by this time of the day. Huh?
Get out of here. Get out.
Oh, you're a prince now. Eh? You're supposed to drink responsibly.
What? What has the prince brought to me? Nothing.
Sorry. Let me help you.
God!
Oh, sorry. You need to, you're harboring too much of hate in your heart. Eh? You need to let it go.
I hate you. Your family. Our family has brought this to me.
Sorry. Okay. Okay, let's go.
dress this way. Oh, to seduce me again. Hey. Hey. My head. My headache too. My headaches. Give me pain relief. Give me pain relief and water. Man. Give me water, pain relief. Sorry. What happened to your face? Were you attacked by hoodlums?
Are you seriously asking me that?
What? What happened? What really happened? I will give you what you want.
Not drunk.
Will you shut up? You don't have any right to talk.
No, you're drunk. Leave me alone.
Drop
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me
I did this too. When did I become such an irresponsible, violent man? Ifeyinwa, wherever you are, it will never be well with you. Maybe I should just apologize to Kosi. No way.
Have you seen Azuka?
Azuka. That one. I'm sure she would have been looking for what to gossip around.
Okay.
I just pray she doesn't do what they use and send us out of this palace one day.
Cool. And do you know the worst part? She like coming up with fake news.
I see.
Have you seen the princess Kosiso's face?
So what about her face? We already know she's beautiful.
This is far from beauty. It's all swollen.
What are you implying?
I'm sure the prince hit her.
Azuka! What joy do you derive in spreading fake news in this palace? Are you not tired?
Azuka, please, I will appreciate it if you stop coming around me with your fake news. Because I wouldn't want to be punished for being part of your silly gossip.
Anyways, I'm sure that one day he's finally going to chase her away from the palace. And when that happens, I pray he finds favor in me.
Favor indeed.
Thanks.
Look at that. What's she even feeling like?
I'm tired of this girl. I just pray they don't chase us out of this court because of this thing.
We have to be careful of this girl because I don't want to be punished for.
I'm good. But things are not the way I planned it, man. Yes. You know, business is not like that. You have to invest good money into business before you can get something out of it. Yes. But that's business for you. But seriously, that's not what I told him. Okay. No problems then. No, it's okay. It's okay. I'll get back to you. Let me call them. All right. Thank you. No problem. Okay. Kosiso! Kosiso! How many times will I call you before you answer? No, how many times? No, sorry.
I'm busy.
Get me my food, I'm famished. I want to eat.
Okay, I'll do that, but I'm putting an article together. A client has been waiting for me. You know I write for Fiverr and they pay me since you refused that I'm going to work. So I decided to start working from home.
And you've started flirting with your client already.
I didn't mention I was flirting. I said I'm writing an article for him.
Just that nonsense articles or whatever you call it and get me my food. I want to eat. In fact, prepare fresh one. Prepare me fresh food.
It's like the prince has multiple personality disorder. I thought he said I shouldn't prepare his food or serve him.
You stay standing there watching. Go and get out, give me my food. Get out.
It would have been a huge disgrace to your father, the king, and the entire family. You know, something unheard of, if Nonso did not marry Kosi.
Oh, Mother, this marriage is making him so unhappy. It's so sad for me to just stand by and watch my brother, who has been studying abroad, come back home and go through all this pain all in the name of marriage.
Time will change everything. I know they're not in love with each other for now, but with time, their love will grow.
Mother, I doubt it. Moreover, one should marry who he or she loves and not...
Hey! Ha! You know nothing about marriage. So I will advise you to keep quiet. Don't let your father hear you. Please.
I know nothing about marriage. But I know what true happiness is. And it kills me to see him so unhappy.
Whatever.
Prince, the food is served.
What food? Can you ever do anything right in this life?
What did I do? You're the one that asked me to prepare food for you. I finished preparing it.
Food that took you the whole day to prepare, just a simple meal, it took you the whole day to prepare it. Is that the food you're talking about? Going out already.
This is unfair. If you knew you were not going to eat this food, why did you stress me to go and start preparing it? And I left a work I was handling. Now I've lost that job because the time has passed.
You said... Did you just say I stressed you? Look at you complaining. Come on, you should consider yourself happy that I allowed you to touch the food I will eat. Don't want to hear this nonsense complaining in this house again. Well, there's no need of me even telling you to stop your nonsense. You're stupid already. So, doing stupid things has been your hobby, and I know you enjoy doing stupid things because you're stupid.
The prince is actually taking care of you. Look at the way you are looking, literally.
Dad, Mom, I'm tired. Okay? I am tired. I came to tell the both of you that I want out of this marriage.
Cousin, I have told you to have patience. The patient dog eats the fattest bone. Okay?
It is not well with me. It's been 4 months of torture, pain, dejection, humiliation.
For what? Talk about divorce, please.
You and Mom got me into this. And the earlier you get me out of it, the better. Else I will run away. No, my dear. You won't run away. Okay? Be patient with him. Show him love. And what sort of love? I'm tired.
This is conspiracy. You better speak to your daughter. Speak to her just one this time. Talk to her.
I will. I will really talk sensitive to her ears. Let's be calm.
You're welcome back.
Thank you.
When did you come back?
Well, I came back last week.
Really?
Wow, I'm surprised that you're married. Because I thought that marriage was never in your agenda for now.
My brother, it was so unfortunate. I was caught in loveless marriage, courtesy of my parents.
But you should have turned down their offer.
No, I tried, but I...
Wow. Who is this?
Stop looking at her that way.
Yeah, good afternoon. I am Eze, and Prince here is my friend. We met at the state.
Really?
And you are...
I'm Kosiso, the princess wife.
Wow, you are so beautiful.
Thank you. Please make yourself comfortable while I get you a drink.
No, don't bother for the drink. He's leaving. My brother, take me. Leave. Eze! Leave.
What was that for? No, Prince, what was that for?
Why were you looking at her that way? Leave.
Do I smell jealousy here?
Eze, get out. Leave.
I thought you said...
Leave! What are you doing?
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What is wrong with me is that I need it. You have to give it to me. It's not my thing. I paid for it. It's my property.
What property? Look, I am not your property. Okay? I'm not a thing that you can use whenever and however you like. No!
Will you shut up and give it to me?
Leave me alone! What's wrong with you?
See, listen, you will give it to me because I paid for it. I'm your husband.
Stop it! Stop it!
Someone, look at you. Leave me alone. You should be happy that me, Prince Nonso, is trying to have something with a slut like
Thank you. I will not take it from you or anybody else. Don't call me such stupid names. From now, I'll be sleeping in the guest room. Excuse me.
She slapped me. I couldn't do anything. Does it mean I'm falling for her? No.
I'm beginning to think that chosen life partner for our kids has done them greater harm than good. If he's nowhere to be found, and Kosi is suffering a great deal for it.
So, are you trying to insinuate that?
Issy!
that you? Hey! Where have you been? We have searched for you everywhere, but we couldn't find you. I never thought of seeing you again.
It's a long story.
What is a long story? No, if you tell me, what story is long? Listen, you better go back to where you came from. I don't ever want to set my eyes on you in this house any longer. Do you even know what you have caused? You almost ruined my relationship with the royal family. You. Even you.
Father, you will not understand. Father, it wasn't my fault. That very morning, I went to pick a friend of mine. I thought I would quickly go and come back early. Immediately I stepped foot out of this compound. I was kidnapped.
Kidnapped? By who?
Mother, I do not know. They wanted to use me for ritual purposes, but thank God for his mercies, I was saved.
Hey, God, I thank you. I thank God that you are alive. I never thought in my life to set my eyes on you again. Hey.
Mother, how is my love, the prince? I have missed him so much. Mother, do you know I kept thinking about him while I was in captivity? I thought about him.
This marriage to my sister.
What?
Yes.
Father, the prince is married to Kosiso. Father, how could you do this to me? Knowing fully well that I am in love with the prince. How could you give Kosiso's hand in marriage to the prince? Father!
What do you expect us to do? We searched for you everywhere, but we couldn't find you. We tried calling you on your phone, but it wasn't reachable.
Because I was kidnapped!
How could we have known that you were kidnapped? In the first place, why would you leave this house without the consent of anyone? Eh? On your marriage day.
Why did you allow him? Why did you allow her to get married to the prince? Why did you allow her to get married to the prince? How could they betray me like this? How could they give Kosiso's hand in marriage to the prince? And how could you, Kosiso? How could you subject yourself to get married to the prince?
It's calling. Hello?
Hello.
Who is this?
So you don't know your sister's voice?
Ifeanyiwa, is that you? Oh my God! What happened to you? I've tried to call your number to no avail. You even changed it. Hey!
Can you come to the house? I'd like to see you.
Oh, you bet. I'm coming right away. Why did you leave?
Please, can you come over now?
Okay, I'm coming.
I'm waiting for you.
So you're still communicating with your lover? I swear, if I should find out you're cheating on me, I will bury you alive. If you need anything, you tell me, I will satisfy your needs.
And if you have needs, you go and pick up a prostitute on the road and let her satisfy you.
It's none of your business. I'm a man. I'm a man. I can do anything I want to do, or go anywhere I want to go, or get anybody I want to get to satisfy me. It's none of your business.
And I am a woman.
I swear if I find out. She's cheating on me.
Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, everything you do is alright, alright. True love will never part for life, alright, everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything you do is alright, alright. True love will never part for life. Thoughts of you and I will keep me always suffocating. Never coming close, your papa stay policing. I sight you from afar, but you always on the run. Oh my God, walking in the fun. Made up in the waste time anyway. Maybe I'm the patience with the pain. Give me all the tensions of the day. We gon' live for life, no parting ways. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up. My love is calling. Phenomenally, I still come from it. It's the one my heart just keep on running. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up. My love is calling.
Why did you leave?
I still come from it. You're the one my heart keeps yearning for.
Thank God for his mercies I came back. Oh my God. Kidnapped? That must have been horrible.
I heard you married the prince. I thought you loved Anyanwu. Why did you break his heart?
How could you marry the prince? Of course, I love Anyanwu. I still do. I was practically forced into marrying the prince because Mom and Dad said they didn't want to ruin the relationship they had with the royal family. They said they didn't want to cause the royal family embarrassment and somebody had to replace you, and who else if not me?
Dad and Mom are very selfish. How dare they allow you marry the prince? They are so selfish.
I have gone through hell in that house. The prince hates me so much and curses me for replacing you. He still loves you. He loves you very much, and I'm sure he'll be so happy to have you back. And then I can go back to my Anyanwu and live happily.
But that's not possible.
Why?
You might be pregnant for him.
We haven't consummated the marriage yet.
You're still intact.
Sis, you have to help me.
I still love him. Please.
You don't have to beg me. Of course I will. As soon as I get home, I'm going to talk to him about it. I'm sure he'll be so excited to have you back. Oh, I can't wait to be free. Oh my God, thank you for coming back. It's my last again. I miss you.
I'm happy to see you.
Yeah, bro, I know, but I told you about it now. No, seriously, right now I'm not happy. Yes.
Hello, my prince.
Oh, please, I'll call you back. Don't worry, I'll call you back. Yes. Alright, thank you. Where are you coming from?
I have good news for you.
I just asked you a very simple question.
And I bet if I told you who I saw today, your face will turn to smiles. Yes.
I am not joking, and I want you to cut off your nonsense guessing thing. Answer my question. Where are you coming from?
Ifeyinwa is back. Ta-da! I mean, that should make you happy. You know, the girl of your dreams is back. So it's simple. My parents will return your bride price, and then you pay for her bride price, and you both will live happily ever after.
Can you stop this rubbish you're rapping? I can't remember knowing you as a musician. Stop this rubbish. You're my wife, and I'm not giving you up. I'm not letting you go. Never will I let you go.
And what's that supposed to mean? I mean, you love Ifeyinwa. And our marriage is not complete. I mean, a marriage is not complete until it's consummated. And we have not consummated ours, so it's easy to be annulled. I mean, go grab your girl, man. Go and get your wife and be happy. What are you talking about?
Stop it. It's okay. Sister, you're the one my heart beats for. Nothing will make me allow it.
Stop this nonsense! No! No way! No! You hate me! You hate everything about me! You hate my looks! You hate my smile! You hate everything about me! You tell me that every day and you even show me in your actions! So...
Yes! You're right. You're right. I've said all that. I've shown it. Kosi, listen, please. Kosi, I love you. I've tried to fight it. I've tried to deal with it, but it's not coming. It's not working.
You don't love me! Please, just stop it! Okay, stop this joke!
I love you, and I will never get your hands off me. Kosi, please, calm down. Listen to me. I love you. I love you. I don't want your sister anymore. You are the one I want. You're such a joker. Excuse me. Please, it's not...
And still in love with the prince. And the prince says he doesn't love her back. What am I going to do? But wait. Is the prince trying to play with my feelings? I mean, I know he doesn't love me. So what is he trying to do? What do I do now? What?
Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything you do is alright.
Hello? Ify? Yes, I'm home. Okay. to town. Thank you. Okay. Same here. Have you spoken to him?
Yes. But the both of you really need to talk.
Good afternoon.
I have to excuse the both of you. Let me get you something.
Okay, alright.
Why are you here? Why are you here?
I am here to take what is rightfully mine.
You stood me up. You left. Why did you come back?
I did not leave. I did not leave you. I was kidnapped. That very morning, a friend of mine got into town. I thought I would hurry off and go pick her up and come back early. But the next thing I saw myself was in a strange place. It was through God's grace that I was able to survive it. Believe me, I am telling you the truth.
You can fool some people all the time. You can fool some people, but not people who are smart. People who are intelligent, like me. You can't fool us.
So believe me, I was kidnapped. I was kidnapped.
You are not a brilliant liar. Who goes to park to pick her friend on the day of her marriage? No, who?
I am.
I will shut up. Who? Yes, you chose your career over me, and so shall it be.
No, I'm saying the truth. I was kidnapped. You need to believe
Fine,
me.
you're kidnapped. The re-kidnapping is coming. They will soon kidnap you. Very soon, they will kidnap you. Very soon.
Please, you have to believe me.
Leave. Make use of that door. I know you wouldn't want my guards to help you open that door, and you know what that means.
I'll leave.
Get out.
I'll leave.
Don't make me shout. Get
I'll go.
out.
I am sorry, my prince, that I left you for my career. But now that I have lost my job, I am not going to lose you. It is time to have you back. I have to do something quick before I lose him. What should I do now? Aha! I think I might just know someone who would help me.
Hello. Yeah, this is Ifeanyi speaking. Please, can I see you by 2 p.m. today? Yes, 2. I'll send the address via text to you. See you soon. Thank you.
My prince, you scared me.
I'm sorry. Cousin. Because I want our union to work. I want us to start over again.
I don't know what to say. I just believe this your sudden change of attitude towards me is probably part of your revenge.
No, it's not. It's not. You see, I felt I was going to lose you if I don't confess to you. If I don't confess how much I love you. That's just it.
My sister is still in love with you. I cannot betray her. I would not hurt her.
No, she doesn't love me. She chose her career over me. And so shall it be.
No. She was kidnapped.
And you believe that?
Yes, that's the truth.
That is what she told you.
But that is the truth.
Kosi, I have vowed to love you. And I will love you to the end of my life on this earth. Nothing will stop me.
Yeah, no, I don't have all the time. Please speak. Why did you call me here?
Anya, I know you love Kosiso, my sister, very well. Guess what? I am here to get her back for you.
She belongs to the prince now.
The prince. Let me break this down for you. The prince and Kosiso don't love each other. Nah. They live as husband and wife, we all know that. But in the real sense, they are living like complete strangers. There's nothing going on in there.
Complete strangers? What do you mean by that?
The prince loves me so much. Ah, he loves me. But you see, he doesn't see her as his wife. Nah. As a matter of fact, he has never touched her.
So why did you leave? Why did you leave the prince hanging on your marriage day? You cost me my love.
It's a long story. An opportunity came. I had to pursue my dreams. And it didn't go as expected. Look, I beg you. I need you to help me. I need you to help me get back the prince. He is my betrothed. I need him back. Please. Please.
You were selfish.
We're all selfish. But hey, I need you. I need you so we can get back what is ours. I need you. I need to get back my betrothed.
I hope by now you must have heard that Ifeanyi is back.
I've seen her.
Oh, you have seen her? Good. Her father came here to see me. He said that she was kidnapped. So you see, it wasn't her fault for standing you up.
Father, I guess both of us are not destined to get married.
Her parents have agreed you can marry Ifeanyi, since you are yet to consummate your marriage with Kosiso.
Mother, I'm sorry, I am not interested.
What?
Come on. You said you love Ifeanyi. Now she is back. You don't want her again?
Father, I just said I am no longer interested in Ifeanyi or whatever that concerns her. I don't want it. I am married to Kosiso, and Kosiso will remain my wife forever. Please. Excuse me.
He seems to have lost interest in Ifeanyi. It would be unfair to allow him marry her and send Kosiso back.
That is not even my problem. My problem is that this your son is very stubborn. He does not want anybody to tell him what to do. That is the problem here.
Son?
Your son!
He's our son, Igwe. He's our son. Both of us gave birth to him. He's not just mine. He's ours. Huh? My son, he's our son.
Now, let's call a spade a spade. Who is to be blamed?
No, talk to me. Who is to be blamed?
The king told me that he has spoken to the prince, but that the prince stands on his feet, that he wants to remain married to Kosiso.
But he doesn't love her.
It doesn't matter if he loves her or not. She's his wife. He will learn to love her.
No. I am the rightful wife to the prince. And the last time I checked, I was the one he was engaged to. As a matter of fact, I am the one he is engaged to. So I am his
right. The prince insists to have your sister Kosiso as his wife. What else do you want us to do? Force him to let your sister out of his house? I want you to think of it, listen.
So, no, there is no problem. Since this is the way you want to do it, you both do not want to help me, there is no problem. I will do it my way. I have given up on the prince. It's quite obvious he's in love with you, and he has refused to let go.
Honestly, I don't think it's love. But these days it's been awesome. He treats me like a queen.
Do you love him?
I like him. A little too much though. But no, it's not love.
So you both have decided to consummate your marriage then?
No. Not yet. I really need to be sure. You know, I need to be sure of my feelings.
You know, sis, I like the fact that you respect your feelings. You're very lucky. I envy you.
I'm worried about you. It's not easy to give up on the one you love.
Yes. But I have moved on.
So fast.
Yes. And there's somewhere I want you to accompany me to. I want you to meet someone.
Okay. Who?
It's a surprise. Just go grab your handbag and let's go. You're welcome.
So where is the surprise?
Please sit down. Don't worry, he'll soon join us. Eh? Please wait. Sit down. It's nice. I thought I told you I wanted to introduce you to someone.
Okay.
He's my new date, so I wanted to officially introduce you to him.
That's nice, but why here? Why didn't you bring him to the house?
I didn't want mom and dad to think I moved on so quickly.
Okay, I just think this is not appropriate. Like,
don't worry. Let me get us some juice.
Okay, so why is he not here yet?
He will soon be here. Probably traffic or something.
Okay, you guys have spent some time here.
So how have you been, really?
Great. Great. So tell me, how is he? Like, is he good looking?
He's cute.
I know, right?
Tall. And he's very handsome.
You moved on too fast, I must say.
Yes, I had to. Because it's quite obvious the prince is in love with you, so. And, come on. You're my sister. So drink up. Drink up. So, how is it at the palace?
Well, I can't complain, but...
And you're my sister, so why not?
You look happy.
Yeah. I'm trying to be happy. You know, it's not been easy so far. But thank God. Are you okay?
I'm just tired. Where is...
He should be here. Let me try and call him. Should be here. Are you okay?
Yeah, I just feel tired. I've had a long day.
No worry, just drink up, you'll be fine. Something, I don't know. I don't know what's keeping him. Oh, he's here already.
Oh, okay. Hi. You?
You bitch.
What are you doing?
I am going to show you. I am going to deal with you. I am going to punish you for betraying me.
She's all yours. You can do whatever you like. I have to go.
What are you doing here?
Kosiso doesn't love you. I keep telling you this, but you feel I am lying. Okay, fine. As I'm talking to you, she's in a hotel with her lover.
You're bluffing. Can't you rest?
No,
why can't you rest?
Kosiso, my wife, and I have agreed to make our marriage work. Please, can you just leave us alone?
My prince, Ifeyinwa, do not bluff. If you do doubt me, let's take a walk to the hotel. Mm-hmm.
Do not play pranks with me. Don't joke with me, because if what or where you're taking me to doesn't worth it, I will kill you. I will deal with you.
I do not bluff.
Dad! Give me my khaki.
Your Majesty, obviously I don't understand what is going on. All the same, I have heard you. Thank you very much. See, no, excuse me, Your Majesty, excuse me.
I've come to return your wayward daughter.
My beloved, what is the matter?
I'm not here to battle words with you. I'm here to return your useless daughter.
Once again, useless? No. No, my prince. What is it? What is the matter, my in-law? What is it?
Ask her. I caught her in the very act of adultery. I would have exposed her to the whole world, but I did not do that because of my name. Let me tell you something. I don't want to see you, your entire family, anywhere around me or my family. I will not take it easy with any of you if I do that, if I see you.
So you dare commit adultery while married to the prince?
I didn't do it. But you were caught in the act. That's wrong.
Can you help me out?
Are you happy now? This is what you've always wanted. You set me up.
Oh, please! Don't just try, don't bring it to me. You told me that you love Anyanwu, that you wanted to have him. What are you talking about? I don't understand.
It's just like I am crying in the rain.
You're a liar from the pit of hell. What are you two talking about? Mom,
it's so long.
if anyone came to my house, and then she said she had a surprise for me. She took me to a hotel and she pretended I was coming to meet her new date. And then I saw Anyanwu. And that was the last thing I could remember. I just passed out or something.
Don't just put it on me. Don't try it. You told me that you still love Anyanwu. That you don't love the prince. Wasn't that what you told me? Why are you lying? Why are you lying?
The way life is treating me today.
Cause it's
not amazing. All I want
I am ashamed of you.
But whenever I search for it, I end up crying.
Do this?
All I want is to be loved. But whenever I walk for it,
I'm ready to take the blame for everything. As long as it brings the prince and favor together.
Excuse me, Mom.
To break this wall, there is beauty around.
Is it not obvious that you set your sister up? Hey! Don't bless Matthew.
Let me show you we can make it work.
I brought her up properly. She is a well-trained child, and I know she cannot do such thing.
And no one sees my tears. It's so long.
No, Dad, you not set anything up.
Listen, just feels my pain. I thought it was a blessing.
Set her up.
Maybe it's a lesson.
She's my sister. You're always seeing her as a saint. She's not a saint. She's a liar. A big liar.
To make it work for our future purpose.
Father, believe me. I cannot lie. But she's my sister. I cannot lie.
Who and what do you want?
Please. I know. I can feel you are angry with me. But, my prince, I still love you. I love you so much. Please forgive me. Please.
Fools like you should stop using that word. That word, love. Idiots like you should stop using it. People like me who understand the meaning should use it. I know what love means. Stupid, look at me. Idiot! I don't love you.
I know you are still hurting. I know. But look. But I am here. I am here to ease your pain.
Out! Out!
No matter how much you throw me away, I will still come back because I love you.
Cats,
Don't touch me. I will leave.
Take this.
I will leave. I will leave.
my wife, right? You had the effrontery to sleep with my wife! Will you talk?
She's not your wife. She was all mine before you took her away from me.
You must be stupid for saying that. I know you don't know the consequences of sleeping with a prince's wife. Don't worry. Wait till the king hears about it. How come? Because you still knew nothing about how she was undressed. You drugged her! No. You drugged her! Eh? Report this to the police and I will make sure you spend the rest of your life in jail. Check! Come on, check! Leave them!
Please. I'm innocent. I didn't touch her. It was Ifewa. It was all Ifewa's plan. She was the one that drugged her. I didn't touch her. I did not touch her. Please.
Ifewa, what did you just say?
I didn't touch her.
Ifewa, what?
Yes. Ifewa that brought her to the hotel.
I can't do it. I can't do this to Kosiso. She has been a very faithful and loyal girl to me. If anyone wants me to do this, I can't betray her love. No, my conscience won't let me do this. Are you trying to say you didn't sleep with her? You didn't do anything even while you were dating her?
Yes. I've not slept with her because she said she doesn't want sex before marriage. Honestly, you can check her. She's your wife. Honestly, she's still intact. I've not slept with her.
If I find out you're lying to me, I will fish you out wherever you are and I will kill you with my bed! I will kill you with my bed! Are you sure she's still a virgin? Are you sure? Don't allow him to leave you. If he leaves, I will kill both of you!
You can keep ranting there like a dog.
Let me tell you. Even if the prince realizes that I set you up, guess what? He will not take you back. Yes, for the fact that I never slept with you is enough for me. Yes.
Well, I'm sorry to bust your bubble. Anyanwu did not sleep with me. I am very much intact. I mean, if he slept with me, I will know.
Liar! Let me tell you. The plan was for him to sleep with you and probably get you pregnant.
Oh, well, Mrs. Planner, your plans failed.
Your plans failed, you know, Rich. Imagine. He did not do anything. I am intact. Okay? I don't blame you. The prince for... Wait. Just wait a minute. Why?
Why all this? Why are you doing this to me? Why are you planning evil against me?
Oh, please.
I was willing to leave my marriage for you.
That is your business. My own is that for the fact that the prince knows that Anna will slept with you is okay for me. Yes! It will torment him for the rest of his life. Wicked girl.
You witch! You're a witch! You're a witch!
It's a lie. You lied.
her off. How dare you?
She took what rightfully belongs to me. And you will never have her. She will be probably pregnant for...
Will you shut up? You're lying. She's very much intact. He didn't sleep with her.
You believe her? Let me tell you. Kosi is a liar. She's a wolf in sheep clothing. That is what she is.
Will you shut up your mouth? Listen, if you dare call my wife names again, I will slap you. That idiot, that Anyanwu did not touch my wife, let alone sleeping with her.
Anyanwu is just a coward. He's just a coward. He can't even fight for what is his. I thought he said he loves her. Stupid idiot.
And now you listen. You will surely pay for trying to separate me and my wife.
Please. Please, my prince. Forgive her. She's my sister. I hate you. I hate you.
Shut up.
I hate the brown workers.
Because of this, I will get a restraining order. I will make sure you never come anywhere close to my wife and I again in life. If you dare me. Dare me. Make sure you spend.
I hate you! I hate you!
I'm sorry, please. Forgive me for not trusting you.
No, my prince. You can move to your subject, please.
I can do anything for you.
Stand up.
You're everything to me. You mean a lot to me. I'm sorry, you're my wife. I love you. I do. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, honey. I'm sorry, please forgive me.